What it do, traders? My name is Arthur, and in this video I'm going to show you how exactly you can use Noones spot trading, and of course I'm going to show you a strategy that you can use to make passive income with spot trading. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So if you don't know what Noones is all about, well, this is a P2P platform that we can use to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, but then right now they have added spot trading. So right now we are able to buy other cryptocurrencies instead of just doing P2P and stuff like that. So let's say if you've got like USDTs, you can be able to swap your USDTs to XRP or in other coins right here on Noones without transferring funds to other crypto exchanges and stuff like that. So of course I'm going to show you how exactly you can do that, and I'll show you a strategy that you can use for you to buy these cryptocurrencies at lower price and sell at higher prices and stuff like that, and still make passive income every day. So the first thing, if you don't have a Noones account, the link is also going to be in the description below as well. But what you want to do is you're just going to have to find your wallet. So to find your wallet, just gonna go to where it's written wallet and click assets. So right here is gonna show you pretty much all the assets that you have in your wallet. So for you to receive funds, obviously just gonna have to click receive, and you're gonna be provided with a wallet address, and you can use this address to receive funds. And you can also see that it has got a lot of networks. You've got Solana, Ton, Ethereum, and Bitcoin and stuff like that. So once you find your account, you're just gonna go to where it's written trade right here and click spot trading right here. All right, so we're gonna have to transfer our funds from funding wallet to spot trading account. So just gonna go ahead and click transfer like this. So we're transferring our funds from wallet to spot trading, right? So you can see that I had 10 USDT, and this is the amount that I'm gonna use in this video. So we're just gonna go ahead and click max and click transfer. So now we have got funds in spot trading wallet, right? You can see right here. So we're just gonna close and go to where it's written trade, and it's gonna take us to a spot trading dashboard, and that's where we're gonna be able to trade and stuff like that. And you can see that this is a classic spot trading dashboard that you can find in other crypto exchanges and stuff like that. You still got your chart right here, still have the order book right here, and you still have your markets right here. So you can be able to trade all these cryptocurrencies that you find right here. And of course right here you have your assets and everything and stuff like that. Simple stuff, right? So let's say we want to buy some XRP. What you want to do is you're just gonna have to either search right here or just swipe right here. All right, so just gonna go ahead and click the pair. So you can see this is a chart for XRP. It has been going up and stuff like that. It's so insane. But before we buy and stuff like that, I also wanted to show you this tab right here. It's called dashboard, and this is where exactly you can see your account performance, how much money you have in your account, your assets and everything, including your history right here. You can also check markets right here. So it's going to show you all the pairs that you can find right here on Noones. Let's say we want to buy XRP. We're just going to have to focus on this tab where it's written buy XRP, because we have got USDTs and we want to swap our USDT to XRP. All right, if we got XRP, meaning that we're going to have to focus on this tab right here, meaning that we're going to have to sell our XRP to USDT. So this is what it's all about. So since I've got at least 10 USD in my account right here, I want to buy XRP. We're just gonna focus on the buy section. So let's say I want to spend at least 5 USD. I can just type right here 5 USD like this. So meaning that is 50% of my available balance that I have. It has done calculations already and stuff like that. Let's say I want to spend like 100% of available balance I have, I can just swipe this to 100% right here. And we're using a market order right here, meaning that this trade is gonna get executed immediately, and you're not gonna wait and stuff like that. It's gonna get executed at the market price or at the current price of XRP. But let's say we want to buy cryptocurrencies at our own price or at any specific price. For example, you can see that right here XRP is being traded at 2.39 USD, but we want to buy XRP when it reaches the price of at least 2.5 USD. So limit order can actually allow us to do that. Just gonna go ahead and click limit like this and put the price that we want to buy at. So let's say we want to buy at 2.21 right here, and the amount of XRP that we want to buy, we just want to spend 100% of our available balance that we have. All right, meaning that we're gonna get this amount of XRP when the price of XRP goes down to 2.21, because currently you can see that the price is sitting at 2.38. right? So we're just gonna press an order. So this order is gonna go to the order book right here. Is right here waiting to be filled. So if the price of XRP drops down to this price right here of 2.21, this order is going to get executed, and you're going to buy this amount of XRP right here. All right, so that's what limit order is all about. But with market order, your trade gets executed immediately and stuff like that at the current price. So let's use market order. You'd notice that we're not going to have any orders, just going to get executed immediately, and we're going to get some XRPs in our wallets immediately. So what you want to do is just going to go to market order and put the amount of USDC that you want to buy with, right? So let's say you want to spend 100% of our available balance that we have. Just gonna go ahead and click 100% like this, all right, and click buy. So just like that, you can see that we have created an order and has been executed immediately. Now we have got some XRPs right here in our wallet, and we didn't wait and stuff like that because it's a market order and has been executed immediately. So that's the difference between a limit order and a market order. So let's say you want to start making passive income every day with spot trading, because in trading there's a lot of ways to make money. Others make money with derivatives trading, others make money with DeFi and stuff like that. But let's say you have decided to start making money with spot trading. So the trick is you're gonna have to be buying when the prices are low, and you're gonna have to be selling when the prices are high. So I'm gonna show you an indicator and the tools that will actually guide you and be able to buy at lower price and be able to sell at higher price. Right here you can see that I've got XRP chart, and I'm using my tools. These are the tools that I use for spot trading and futures trading. So these tools simply give me buy and sell signals. As you can see, when it's time to buy, I get this buy signal and the price go up. When it's time to sell, I get the sell signal and the price go down. You know what I mean? So you can see that since right here I got a buy signal, the price went up into these levels, creating new all-time highs. If you measure from this signal up to the very top, you can see that it moved at least 75%. Just after getting this buy signal. So these signals really, they're very accurate and stuff like that. You can also check this one right here. After getting this signal, the price went up by 43%. After getting this sell signal right here, the price went down by 14%. After getting this one right here, the price went up by 13%. So these are the indicators and tools and signals that I use when it comes to spot trading, because I want to be buying at lower price and I want to be selling at higher price. You know what I mean? So other than that, I also have the momentum based indicator, heavy crypto indicator. This heavy crypto indicator comes with different indicators that will actually guide you for the rest of your trading career. So this one simply tells me also, when is good time to buy and when is also good time to sell, and it has money flow and stuff like that, how much money is getting into the market, and there's also the momentum right here, because that when the market is moving in an uptrend, the mountain right here flips to the upside and the price skyrockets. So this indicator comes with a guidance that can actually guide you and show you how exactly you can use it. But other than that, it's all about the signals. So these two indicators combined together are gonna give you best entries and best exits when it comes to buying and selling and stuff like that. So the link to heavy crypto indicator is gonna be in the description below as well. This is a lifetime indicator, meaning that is once off purchase and you're gonna be using it until. And the link to heavy crypto indicator is gonna be in the description below as well, or you can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online. But other than that, this is my name is Arthur, guys. Just wanted to show you how exactly you can use Noones spot trading and be able to make passive income every day with Noones spot. Without forcing a video, love and peace, guys. Cheers.